Talk about a show-stopping red carpet moment. Pamela Anderson and Liam Neeson weren't just stealing the spotlight, they brought along their sons, and together, they turned heads like never before. Pamela Anderson, the timeless star who defined an era with Baywatch, looked absolutely radiant. But what really had fans buzzing was seeing her side by side with her son, Brandon Thomas Lee. Brandon, already carving out his own career in acting and modeling, carried himself with confidence and charisma that had the cameras flashing non-stop. Not to be outdone, Hollywood legend Liam Neeson made his entrance with his son, Michael Richardson. Michael, who's following in his father's footsteps in the film industry, was every bit the leading man in the making. The two shared laughs, proud smiles, and a bond that fans couldn't get enough of. It wasn't just about fashion or fame that night, it was about family. Two generations walking side by side, proving that talent, charm, and presence really do run in the family. So tell me, do you think Brandon and Michael are the next big stars in Hollywood? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this red carpet family moment, hit the like button and subscribe for more star updates. Until next time, stay tuned because the best of Hollywood is always on the way.